In a fully grown adult with no teeth removed, how many pearly whites should there be in total? 28, 30, 32, 36. The correct answer is 32. Which sea has such high salinity that almost no marine life can survive? Caribbean Sea, Red Sea, Dead Sea, Caspian Sea. The correct answer is Dead Sea. In ancient Roman numerals, which letter stands for the number 1000? L, D, C, M. The correct answer is M. Which US state proudly carries the nickname the Beaver State, honoring the animal that helped power its early economy? Oregon, Arizona, Florida, Nevada. The correct answer is Oregon. Which iconic children's toy became the first toy ever advertised on television, kicking off the era of TV toy commercials? Barbie, Mr. Potato Head, Lego, Slinky. The correct answer is Mr. Potato Head. Where can you find the global headquarters of UNESCO, the organization dedicated to protecting world heritage, culture, and education? Geneva, New York, Paris, Rome. The correct answer is Paris. Which actor plays Ethan Hunt's trusted colleague Benji Dunn in the Mission Impossible films? Ving Rhames, Simon Pegg, Alec Baldwin, Henry Cavill. The correct answer is Simon Pegg. Which country sits higher above sea level on average than any other nation on Earth, earning it the nickname the Kingdom in the Sky? Nepal, Lesotho, Switzerland, Bhutan. The correct answer is Lesotho. In the Middle Eastern dish baba ganoush, which veggie takes center stage, roasted, mashed, and mixed into creamy perfection? Tomato, aubergine, cucumber, zucchini. The correct answer is aubergine. In our solar system today, which planet is officially recognized as the farthest from the Sun? Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Pluto. The correct answer is Neptune. What incredible natural phenomenon creates the glowing northern lights, aurora borealis, that dance across Arctic skies? Volcanic eruptions, meteor showers, Earth's magnetic field interacting with solar particles, ocean currents. The correct answer is Earth's magnetic field interacting with solar particles telescope. Cashmere is one of the softest and most luxurious fibers in the world, but which animal does it actually come from? Alpaca, yak, camel, cashmere goat. The correct answer is cashmere goat. Which deadly peak is known worldwide as Savage Mountain, a nickname earned from its brutal weather and extremely high fatality rate? K2, Everest, Nunga Parbat, Annapurna. The correct answer is K2. Which SI unit measures electrical conductance, basically how easily electricity can flow through a material? Newton, Siemens, Ohm, Watt. The correct answer is Siemens. In the era of feudal Japan, what was a samurai called after losing their master, forced to wander without a clan or purpose? Ninja, daimyo, ronin, shogun. The correct answer is ronin.